ancient Greek mythology, Prometheus was a titan that created mankind and stole fire from the gods and shared it with humans. Fire, throughout the years, has represented light, knowledge, and really just innovation. And that's what we've come here today with Prometheus.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Alexandra. I'm 23 years old and I came from Ukraine and recently also made Aliyah. I studied in University of Ukraine and I have major in biology, and in this project I took more back-end part. So yeah, that's me and that's David.
My name is David Elias. I come from New York. I finished at Bergen Community College with an Associate in Science and Professional Studies. After that, having done a volunteer combat draft in the IDF, I made my way here to ITC, where I've really been focusing myself on full stack. But within this project, my focus has been strengthening myself for my weakness of design. And that's a lot of the role that I was taking with this project.
So here we go. We have the problem finding tutor here in Israel. So in most of times when we're looking for some personal tutor, we have a lot of websites which are not user-friendly. They have like very poor database and they have not very user-friendly interface. So in the case when I want to find a tutor for myself, I need to send my requirements, and just in case if they will have someone who suits me, they'll keep in contact with me. So that's not so user-friendly. And
Just for example, if we look over here at Morim Babayit, we see that we have only 2 tutors for French in all of Tel Aviv. Something tells me that's not exactly entirely true. These databases are not exactly growing, live, and really kept up to date. So this is where we come in with Prometheus, where our whole focus is just be truly an ever-growing database of just tutors in the area.
So for this project, we used tech tools such as Python and Django frameworks. We used some widget, and for sure, for making it beautiful and responsive, we use Bootstrap. So we will come to live demonstration.
So let's see how it all goes. So let's go. So let's go and say we want to look through just a bunch of different tutors for a few different subjects. Let's just go and take my username Michelle. She wants to go and see what tutors are available in her area, what subjects they can teach, and if one of them is really what's cut out for her. Mild technical difficulties.
So in a couple of minutes, you'll see how we find a solution to user-friendly tutor list and how we can actually interact with currently existing database and add in a new person, like to register a new profile and count and see how it really can be useful nowadays. Yeah, here we go. Thank you.
So for example, we currently have, this is the list of all the tutors that we have just at the moment. Scrolling down. Oh. Huh. Oh, okay, some people seem to catch something here. All right, so let's go and have Michelle log in and just see if what we can go and do to see a little bit more. So once we've logged in, we're actually able to see a tutor's full profile, see what would be their email address, where they're located, and what subjects they can go and teach. Also, a rating left by other users who have gone and used her for those services. And we can also go and see for each individual subject what would be the rating for that one subject versus an overall. Say, for example, a tutor is 5 stars in computer science. However, for English, something tells me they might not be as strong with it. You can see an individual score that reflects it. And that right now is the current status of Prometheus, which is just constantly growing, bringing us more. Here we also do have a full list of all the subjects that we do have.
that's how Prometheus looks like, and thank you for listening.